What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of DP Fishing, and today I think I'm going to be exploring some roadside river creek fishing, so stay tuned. So guys, I just got to this creek, and as I was walking over the bridge, I seen like a little smallmouth like right there. See a little smallmouth right there. And see, I'm just using this little map spinner. See if I can catch anything little. Carp. That thing's huge. Oh my god, there's so many carp. Fire butt. Yeah, they're nibbling at it. Let's see if we can get something. I also have a net rig, but this spinner doesn't work. Kind of reeling it in. Got something. Oh my god, I got smallie. First, oh my gosh. First spot here. Wait, is this a smallie? Oh, it's a nice one. First nice smallie. And there's other ones right behind it. Oh my gosh, I haven't caught a smallie in a while. That's smallmouth, guys. Oh my gosh. It's been like a few casts. I'm like underneath this fishing, underneath this bridge here. And I just took one cast and hooked into him. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that smallmouth. Look at that smallmouth, guys. Hopefully you guys caught that catch on film. That's like a 1.5 pound smallmouth there. Let's go. Got spinner here. Just cast it right underneath that bridge. And hooked up to that smallmouth. It's kind of a hard place. I don't have a good balance or anything here, but man, that's awesome. Man, I'm really stoked about that catch there, guys. It was a freaking smallmouth, and it was a nice one too. Probably the biggest one out of the bunch. Just on that little map spinner. He cranked it. Oh, I just got hit again. Could have been something little. He cranked that, guys. So I moved from the creek that I found to this pond because the creek the bite just disappeared. I probably fished there for an hour or so. I've already been fishing for a couple hours. Oh, here we go. Oh, I missed him. Oh, he's got that. Here he is again. Eat it. Oh, let that go. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I got smoked. Spit my tentacles off, guys. So I guess their bass still are active. Dude, they're just not eating it. Oh, got him. Is he still on? Yeah, he's still on. Oh my god, it's a bluegill. What? Oh my gosh. Hit it like a tank. What the heck? What the heck, guys? What is that? Look at that, just pop right out. What a freaking bluegill. Alright, well, multi-species, I guess. Alright, here you go. Alright guys, what is up? So, it's been like a couple days since the time I went fishing in that little creek. And it was pretty fun. I mean, I wish I would have caught some more smallies, but it's alright. And I wish I got that little bluegill at that little pond too after that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video I made there, and let me know if you guys want to see more like that. And yeah, See you in the next video. This has been DP Fishing.